Professor Kancha Ilaiah, TSR Subramaniam. Professor Ilaiah, well-known Dalit activist and author, TSR Subramaniam has been Cabinet Secretary of India. Kumar Ketkar is a senior journalist. And Ami Yagnik is taking on Sambit Patra of the BJP, Congress versus BJP. I think Ami Yagnik, the Congress party, should say sorry tonight. And on behalf of the Congress party, you should perhaps say sorry tonight to all the viewers of the News Hour for dragging Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev into your petty politics. I mean, you have not given a Bharat Ratna for Bhagat Singh. 83 years have passed since he died in 1931. He's been the greatest inspiration for all of India and for Indian youth to take part in the freedom movement. I don't know why you did not ever consider in your 60 years when you were running the government to give a Bharat Ratna to Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. But you rub the insult in by now dragging their names. When you hear this report that somebody else may be getting the Bharat Ratna, Ami Yagnik, instead of debating, perhaps it's better for you to say sorry tonight.
Arnav, there was just a suggestion that if the criteria is going to be for consideration for a freedom fighter, there are many freedom fighters, and I think
what did you do? You have just completed 10 years in power. Why did you use Bhagat Singh? Why did you insult Bhagat? No, why did you explain to me?
Out of so many freedom fighters, and so it was a suggestion that what is that criteria? That
so what was the criteria? Let me ask you with which. No, what was the criteria? What was the criteria you used to deny him an award? What was the criteria that you used to deny Rajguru an award? What was the criteria? Let me ask you. The Lal Bal Pal trio was led by Lala Lajpat Rai. I want to ask you, what is the criteria with which you denied Lala Lajpat Rai a Bharat Ratna?
Arnav, I think the way you are taking this debate...
No, what was the criteria that you... No, because you have used these people.
You are asking a question, let me give you the answer.
No, you have used these people.
The way the debate is going, I think we are completely lowering the esteem of the Bharat Ratna.
You use Rash Bihari Bose, you use Lala Lajpat Rai. Why did you use them yesterday? Why did you use them?
You are bringing up all these names whom we revere, whom we take the names with utmost reverence.
Why?
And they are themselves Bharat Ratnas in themselves.
But
and today you are bringing the discussion to such a level.
You have reduced the discussion to this. You have reduced the discussion to this.
No, we are reducing because
you have reduced the discussion
today the list is not out. The government has not shortlisted or long-listed any names. And the speculation and the embarrassment you are causing by taking up these names is definitely not befitting any one of us.
Miss Ami Yagnik, I began the news by saying this, that all you politicians reduced it to politics. We didn't in the media. Okay? Gopal Krishna Gokhale was considered by Mahatma Gandhi to be his guru, his mentor. It's 99 years since he died in 1915. You didn't think of giving him the Bharat Ratna posthumously, but now somebody mentions Vajpayee, somebody mentions Netaji, and you present your alternative. It's just politics for you, isn't it? You won't care, Ami Yagnik. No, you won't care who you insult, whose memory you insult, who you trample over, who you hurt, whose sentiments you hurt, and how selfish you look while you're doing all this. TSR Subramaniam, your views on it. I'll open up to the BJP after that.
1 minute, Arnav, you have posed a question to me.
TSR Subramaniam first to counter to this. It has been reduced to a farce.
The language is so acerbic today on the debate.
Now
do not use this language for the Bharat Ratna awards, please.
Ma'am, what?
Let us be completely revered for
what have you done to the Bharat Ratna? What have you done to it?
We have not done anything. We have not done anything. You are taking the topic to such a level that we are losing the complete esteem of this particular highest civilian award.
Well, did you give a Bharat Ratna to Subhash Chandra Bose?
This is not the way. This is not the way. Speculation. You are causing embarrassment to several people.
I may be causing embarrassment to the Congress party.
These kind of names. We may have it in a proper way. The debate has to go in a very dignified manner.
I am asking you today. You won't like my question. No, one second.
We do not have the list. We do not have to come up this list in such a way.
Miss Ami Yagnik, I don't mince my words. And I can request the News Hour viewers
We know you don't.
No, yeah, I'm thankful I don't. Especially with politicians, I really don't. But I'd say this today with the hashtag Bharat Ratna Rush. I ask a simple question. I have nothing against anyone. But this country gave a Bharat Ratna to Gulzari Lal Nanda, who served as acting Prime Minister twice after the deaths of Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri, for his service to the country, which amounted to a princely sum of 28 days of acting Prime Ministership. We gave him a Bharat Ratna. And we didn't give Netaji a Bharat Ratna, and now we want to create this race. One of those upset is TSR Subramaniam. Mr. Subramaniam, why are you upset?
Arnab, if there is one subject, one item which should not be politicized, it is this. We are now revering. We have had this has been a blessed country. We have had a very large number of heroes. Many have been recognized. In fact, there are many unsung heroes all over the place. So it is the prerogative of the government of the day to choose 1, 2 or 3 every year to remember them with great reverence. It does not mean that those who are not recognized are not worthy of it, number one. Number two, like in posts that are occupied, some people occupy chairs, some people adorn chairs. It's very similar also here, that some people adorn the honor itself and some people are honored. This is an entire matter of prerogative and discretion. Look at the procedure. Except for the Bharat Ratna, for the others, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, there's a committee chaired by the Cabinet Secretary, but that committee is not final. Government have previously added, subtracted, done anything. But for Bharat Ratna, hitherto, it has emerged exclusively from the Prime Minister of the day, and this is something we cannot question. 60 years, 70 years, we have had different governments. They all had, I could question many. You mentioned Gulzari Lal Nanda. I could say that Dravid and Kapil Dev were as important to Indian cricket as Tendulkar. As a Carnatic music fan, I know M.S. Subbulakshmi probably was not the best exponent, but this is a national honor. The moment it is given, we accept it. This is not to be questioned. This is not to be debated at all. I think that this debate should stop now. By definition, what is done is correct. In this particular matter, if we are not doing that, we are not criticizing the government. We are not criticizing party. We are looking foolish. We are criticizing ourselves. I think the best is to stop the debate. Wait for the government to decide.
Stop the debate. The one person who can stop the debate. Sir, the one person who can stop the debate is the BJP. Is it interested in stopping the debate? No. Because all it wants to do is extract as much mileage of it as possible. All the BJP needs to say is that either the story is correct or the story is incorrect. It will do neither. It is simply Mr. Subramaniam interested in floating a trial balloon. I don't know. I just have one question. Is conferring the Bharat Ratna a state secret? What explains the silence? Or whether or not these names are doing the rounds are in contention for the country's highest civilian award? You want to create a divide even over the Bharat Ratna? This is clear and apparent, Sambit Patra. I can ask the questions to the Congress, but you have lost the moral right to.
Arnab, why should the government fall into the trap laid down by the media? And I should applaud the kind of movement this government has shown. You have laid a trap. Today is a day when you have no sources in the government. Today is a day when you do not have any kind of unauthorized leaks from the government. In the yesteryears,
why don't you say the story is
you
wrong?
had such kind of leaks.
Why don't you say the story is wrong?
You lived on that. You thrived on that. Today, when any such thing is not existing, why are you trying to lay a trap? An announcement has not been made. A kind
why don't you
trap
deny?
has been laid by the media.
Why don't you deny?
And you want me to debate
why don't you deny? That's exactly what you. That's what.
Silence.
No. Why don't you deny?
Break its silence on
why don't you deny it? Are you so ignorant? Don't you know? Are you a picture of ignorance? Sir, 1 minute. Just a minute.
The media,
Mr. Sambit Patra. Mr. Sambit Patra.
And they wish the government to fall in the trap.
Sambit Patra.
The Congress has fallen into the well.
Mr. Sambit Patra
has the issue. And I beautifully can say that the Bharatiya Janata Party has not fallen into the trap.
It is so
politicization of Bharat Ratna, the Bharatiya Janata Party and this government did not fall into the trap laid by the media.
It is so sad.
Why so sad?
It is so sad,
show me the
Mr. Sambit Patra. If you allow me to complete.
Every day you show papers to the people. Show me the paper. Show the country the paper. The nation wants to know where the list is.
Sambit, I don't want to expose your ignorance in the way that I will now be forced to.
No, please,
but at the same time, Mr. Sambit Patra, ignorance also has its limits. Tonight, I'm very sorry to say this, that your abject and complete ignorance has been exposed by yourself on yourself. Given that you are considering the conferring the Bharat Ratna in the story, 1 minute, Mr. Sambit Patra, given that you are considering, if you are not,
where is that paper of yours?
Mr. Sambit,
where has the government
Mr.
come
Sambit
out with the
Patra,
notice? Why are we?
Mr. Sambit Patra, the last person who kept repeating himself while speaking to me was Suresh Kalmadi. I would request you to resist that, that temptation that when Suresh Kalmadi was on the back foot, he kept repeating himself. You're doing exactly that tonight. I just want you to, this is a simple question put by everybody to you. If this story is incorrect, if what appeared in the Indian Express yesterday is incorrect, and if the whole country is going after a factually wrong story, all you need to do is that say the story is completely speculative. You don't stand there while Mamata Banerjee is demanding Bharat Ratna for someone, or somebody, Naveen Patnaik is demanding Bharat Ratna for someone, or outside gate number 4 of Parliament, Mayawati is demanding Bharat Ratna for someone, or somebody else, or in Assam, Tarun Gogoi started demanding the Bharat Ratna for Bhupen Hazarika. You want to further insult the people by neither confirming nor denying your story. And you think that by your silence, Mr. Sambit Patra, and then saying the story is wrong, that people won't see through this, but they will.
No one is
because
silent,
this is nothing but a trial balloon.
On the news hour, so how do I speak and convince
Kumar
you?
Ketkar, your
Allow
thoughts.
me to speak
Kumar
and convince
Ketkar, your
you.
thoughts. Be direct. I know you know something. It may take the attention away from. It may. I think. In fact, one of the views is
the speculations.
In fact, one of the views, Mr. Patra,
Mr. Patra, come and break the speculations.
Mr. Patra,
is this what the Prime Minister's duty left now?
Mr. Patra, I'll tell you one thing. Even in terms of political arrogance, there's usually a boiling point. And I've often seen that when certain politicians cross that boiling point, they don't realize, but they evaporate themselves. I would second time today
or no, rather I would say the media should
I would request you for a second time tonight.
There is an unwritten arrogance
I would for the second time tonight, Mr. Sambit Patra, request you.
You are trying to bring down names. You are trying to play with them.
Mr. Sambit Patra, I would request you as a debutant.
Let's discuss and debate this topic when the names are announced. Yes, please go on.
Mr. Patra, as a debutant and young spokespersons for your party, I would request you in your responses on the news hour tonight to not become self-combustible. Sometimes this temptation may be there, but if you become self-combustible, then you will evaporate. I would like to get Kumar Ketkar into the debate, please, if you allow him. Kumar Ketkar, what's going on? This whole Bharat Ratna rush.
Arnab, the only person who tried to depoliticize Padma and Bharat Ratna awards was Morarji Desai in 1977. He stopped all the awards and they did not start again for a few years. So it is not a question of depolitization or politicization of Bharat Ratna and Padma awards was not discussed before. In 77 it was stopped. And the second correction is Subhash Chandra Bose was chosen for Bharat Ratna in 1992 in Narasimha Rao government, but then there were objections that Subhash Chandra Bose is actually alive or there is no proof that he is dead, and therefore that went on a shelf. So it is not correct to say that Bharat Ratna has been always there as if since independence. It did not. Another point, Frontier Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, did not get Bharat Ratna till almost 1969. Till almost 1969, he did not get the award. Similarly, Jayaprakash Narayan did not get the Bharat Ratna almost till 1998. So it is not as if everybody was playing politics with Bharat Ratna. Everybody was playing politics with Padma Awards, and that is why Morarji had stopped. And I entirely agree with Morarji Desai on that, though I disagree on many other subjects with him. But the main question is, why suddenly this controversy erupted is not a media conspiracy. For Congress to suddenly raise Bhagat Singh and Rajguru and Sukhdev is sheer opportunism, as you very correctly said. It is simple political opportunism. They were in power for such a long time. If they thought that Bhagat Singh should be given, then they would have given. They were not given. They did not give, as I said, to Frontier Gandhi. So you are 100% correct to say that Congress has not behaved decently, morally and correctly.
They have not. And Ami Yagnik, you must admit it, both of you are making serious mistakes and everybody sees through it. The BJP for floating this trial balloon and the Congress. The Congress for the most self-congratulatory form of political rewarding. I mean, Prime Ministers of the Congress party in self-congratulatory gestures awarded themselves the Bharat Ratna when they were still sitting on the Prime Minister's post. Indira Gandhi gave herself the Bharat Ratna.
And another point is,
Jawaharlal Nehru gave himself the Bharat Ratna
another point is,
in
it is not
1971
only-
and 1955, but they didn't give.
Arnab.
No, once they did not give. Till 1991, they did not give. Till 40 years after his death, they did not give Sardar Patel the Bharat Ratna. And that's one of those blots, Ami Yagnik, tonight, which you can't
Arnab.
wipe out. And Kancha Ilaiah feels that
Arnab,
this entire issue has been politicized. Let's get him in, then we'll open it up for debate, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, open it up. But Kancha Ilaiah feels there's a political twist.
But
to all
Arnab,
of this.
it is-
Kancha Ilaiah, why do you think so?
Arnav,
Well,
Arnav, I earlier said.
Arunab, can I come
Yes,
in?
yes, go ahead.
Arunab, see, in the names that are being floated, there are two clear, politically motivated, leaked out names. One is Subhash Chandra Bose's name, which the family openly saying in
Absolutely.
on every media that we will not take this, and he is not the one who is equivalent to this award at all. He is far more bigger than this award. Therefore, this award we don't want. I don't know why BJP is again and again bringing his name.
And why the BJP, if it is sincere, cannot deny
name
it?
has been brought. Mr. Kancha Ilaiah, how
Yeah,
are you
the
confirmed? Who
second
confirmed
thing
you
is-
the name? Who confirmed you the name?
Mr.
Kancha
Let him
Ilaiah?
come. Sir, have you denied
Wait a
it?
minute.
Have you denied it? Have you denied it? Has the BJP denied
No,
it?
when the news is not on
Has the
table,
BJP
there is
denied
no
it?
question of accepting
Has
or
the
denying
BJP
it.
denied it?
No, why should BJP
That's why we
deny or
call it a
accept
trial balloon.
Arnab,
That's
you
why
are
we call it a
journalist.
trial
Tell
balloon.
me,
Let
when the
Kancha
news
Ilaiah
is not
complete.
on the table,
Let Kancha
where is the
Ilaiah
question
complete.
of accepting
Let
or
Kancha
denying it?
Ilaiah complete
Where
now,
is the
Sambit
question of
Patra.
accepting or denying it?
Let him complete
No,
now.
are you
Listen,
going to
Kancha
tell
Ilaiah,
me-
Have you
are
denied
going
it?
to
politicizing
tell
an
me
issue
you are
on the
not
national
going to
television
give
and you are blaming the
Bharat
BJP
Ratna
for
to
politicizing it.
Vajpayee. No, you just wait. Are you going to tell us that you are not going to give Bharat Ratna to Vajpayee? Are you going to tell us today?
Mr. Kancha Ilaiah, can you tell me where you will be 3 days from today?
Mr. Sambit Patra, don't.
The government
No, no.
Mr.
That
Sambit
is
Patra,
not the
don't.
issue.
Mr.
That is
Sambit
not
Patra,
the-
yesterday
that is
we
not
have
the issue.
BJP. Yesterday
What
we
I'm
have.
saying is-
Yesterday we have. No, one second.
Yes,
Yesterday we have a lot of
Congress
BJP
has
leaders saying, how can you deny
a
a
blunder
Bharat Ratna
by giving it to Prime
Atal Bihari
Minister.
Vajpayee?
Did
Congress
anyone
has committed
of the BJP
blunders
leader
by
come out with a
giving it
notice
to
or not?
Prime
Tell me.
Ministers.
No one came
I
out with that
don't agree
notice.
with Congress view. Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi deserve, Bharat Ratnas. But you have criticized, your party has criticized when they were given Bharat Ratnas. Why are you putting Vajpayee's name on the plate today?
We have demanded
in the
Bharat
list
Ratna
there
for
are only
Mr.
two
Atal Bihari
persons who
Vajpayee
deserve
way
it.
back from 2008. Mr. L.K. Advani wrote a
So you're
letter to
confirming
then
the-
UPA government.
You should be sure where you stand.
But you are demanding
Who said
it.
we are confirming?
You
Don't
have
put your
demanded,
words on
now
my
you are
mouth over
giving
here.
to yourself.
I am only saying that I stand for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We all stand for Atal Bihari
Okay.
Vajpayee. If
Okay,
two
no, 1
prime
minute.
ministers can
Why?
award
In
themselves,
minute.
that
Atal
case-
Bihari
in that
Vajpayee was the
case,
first
your
prime minister of this country
party
from a non-Congress
did not
background.
like
He came in
Congress
opposition to
giving
this
Jawaharlal
country.
Nehru,
He
Indira
deserves a
Gandhi
Bharat Ratna.
and Rajiv Gandhi, which is a wrong thing. Which is a wrong thing to give prime ministers what sacrifice a prime minister does. No, I can understand Indira Gandhi was killed and Rajiv was killed. That is a sacrifice of life, a different question. But in this case, only two names I can say deserve it. One is Kanshiram, the other one is Madan Mohan Malavya. In his own way, they did a social service, educational service. What was the definition of Bharat Ratna?